Hello, I'm Thomas, a technician at Hand Tools. You asked how to turn the gearbox, and I'll quickly show you how it's done. For this, we need an impact drill with the right Allen key and this part. First of all, we replace the freewheel lever. To do this, you open the screw here. Once the screw is removed, you can simply pull out the freewheel lever. We take the new freewheel lever, carefully insert it, and then gently turn it until it clicks securely into place. Following that, we screw everything back together, ensuring all components are firmly reassembled. Now let's move on to the main part, turning the gearbox. To successfully accomplish this task, we must carefully and precisely loosen these two specific screws, which are securely holding the components in place. Following this, we can then gently and deliberately pull the entire gearbox assembly completely off the winch mechanism, ensuring no damage occurs during the separation process. There we go. Here you can see the screws. This ring of screws needs to be completely removed. So why do we use the Allen key to loosen these screws? We don't want to use the power screwdriver and risk damaging the screws or the threads. Now all of the screws are completely loosened, and we will carefully turn this bracket exactly 90 degrees, then gently put it back on, and finally screw it securely back into its original place. It's best to stand it up, that way it's easier for you to thread it in. All right, it's in place. We put the screws in. On the other side as well. Now we can easily tighten them securely. That's it. The gearbox has been rotated and the winch is ready for use.